am Niranjan HM, 4th period, whole numbers. In this period, we will continue the exercise 2.2. Yes, third one. Find the value of the following. There are 4 problems. I will solve B and D. Rest of the 2 problems is your homework. Observe here. 54,279 into 92 plus 8 into 54,279. Dear children, observe here, the 54,279 is in both sides. Let us, you may take common. Why should we take common? If you take common, the problem becomes very easy to find, very easy to get an answer. So that is what we need to take a common. See, 54,279 here is into next bracket 92 is in the first part plus 8 is here. See, we have taken 54,279 is common. Okay, close the bracket. Dear children, observe here 54,279 as it is, 54,279 as it is into 92 plus 8 is equals to 100. Yes, let us multiply. 54,279 into 1 jar. 54,279. Okay, 54,279 1 just 54,279. How many zero here? There are 2 0. Add 2 0. So the finally we got the answer. And make it place comma. This is the answer. Let us come to D. 3,845 into 5 into 782 plus 769 into 25 into 218. What is the common thing in the given problem? No common thing. So that's why we make it into, in other ways we try to make it into common. Okay? Dear children, observe here. Here is 5. Here is 25. What should we do? Yes. Let us convert 25. You may write as 5 into 5. So the finally we get a 5 as the common. Observe very carefully. 3,845 as it is. 3,845 into 5 as it is into 782 as it is plus as it is 769 as it is into, yes, 25 can be written as 5 into 5, 5 into 5 into this into 280 is as it is. You may write as it is 280. Observe here 3,845 into 5 into 782 plus as it is. Observe very carefully. Observe here to 769 into 5 multiply. So the finally we will get 3,845. You may multiply yourself. Okay, 769 into 5 are 3,845. This into as it is into here 280. Okay, Choto? Yeah. What is the common thing in the given problem? See, 3,845 is here, 3,845 is here. Yes, 3,845 is the common. Let us in here write 3,845. Okay. Next, what is the common thing? Yes. Here is 5. Here is 5 into 5. Any common thing in the problem? Here is 782. Here is 282. No common. So you may put a bracket 782. Here is plus. Here is 280. Are you clear? Yes. You may multiply with 3,845 into 5. 5 5 jar 25. Right? 5 is here. 2 goes to carry. 5 4 jar 20. 20 plus 2 is equals to 22. Right? 2 is here. 2 goes to carry. 5 8 jar 40. 40 plus 2 is equals to 42. Right? 2 is here. And 4 goes to carry. 5 3 jar 15. 15. 16, 17, 18, 19. got 19,225 into, observe here, into 782 plus 218. Observe here, 782 plus 218. Okay. 8 plus 2 is equals to 10. 10, right, 0 is here. 1 goes to here. 1 plus 8 plus 1 is equals to 10. Right, 0 is here. 1 goes to carry. Okay. 7 plus 1 is equals to 8. 8 plus 2 is equals to 10. So the finally we got 1000. Okay. Yes. 19,225 into 1 jar. 19,225. How many 0 here? There are 3 0. Add 3 0. 1 0, 2 0, 3 0. And put a comma. Here is 3 digit after interval, 1 interval. Next, next. So finally we have completed the problem. Okay. This is D and B. Rest of the two problems is your homework. Let us, we will move fourth main. Find the product using suitable properties. You are very well about to know properties: closure property, commutative property, associative property, distributive property, and identity property. Okay. Using these properties, which property is suitable to solve the given problems? This is the question. Okay. Why should we use the properties? If we use the properties, the problem becomes very easy. Okay. That is the reason. There are 4 problems. I will solve 2 problems. 2 problems is your homework. Let us observe A. 738 into 103. 738. Which property is suitable? See, distributive properties suitable to given problem. So observe here. 738 you may write as it is into 103 can be written as 100 plus 3. Right? 103 can be written as 100 plus 3. 100 plus 3 is equals to 100. 100 plus 3 is equals to 103. Nothing wrong. 738 into 100. Now what we want to do? Multiply. 738 into 100. Next 738 into 3. Observe here. 738 into 100. Here is plus, right, plus. 738 into 3 jar. 738 into 3 jar. Are you clear? Yes. 738 into 100. How do we multiply? Just you may neglect 2 0 first step. 738 into 1 jar. 738. How many 0 here? There are 2 0. So finally we got 73,800 plus, right, plus as it is. You may multiply 738 into 3 jar. 3 8 jar, 8 3 jar, 24. Right, 2 is here. 3 3 jar, 9, 9 plus 2 is equals to 11. Right, 1 is here. 1 goes to carry. 7 3 jar, 21. 21 plus 21 plus 1 is equals to 22. So 2,240. Add 73,800, 2,214. Here is 4, 1, 8 plus 2, 10, right, 0. Here is 1, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. Here is 7. So finally we got 76,040. 76,040. This is the final answer. The next question is 258 into 1008. Which property is suitable? Distributive property. Yeah, just recall distributive property. A into, observe here, distributive property. A general rule. A into B plus C is equals to, it can be written as A into B plus A into B, A into B plus A into C. A into C. Clear? This is the general formula, general rule of distributive property. Okay, Chotu, let us come to problem 258. You may write as it is. 1008. You may write 1000 plus 8. 258 into 1008 can be written as 1000 plus 8. Are you clear? Yes. Next, what is the next step? Multiplication. 258 into 1000 plus 258 into 8. 258 into 1000 plus 258 into 8. Clear? Yes. You may multiply 258 into 1 jar, 258. There are 3 0, add 3 0. Next, here is plus 258 into 8. 8 8 jar, 64, right? 8 8 is 64, right? 4 is here, 6 goes to carry. 5 8 jar, 40. 40 plus 6 is equals to 46, right? 6 is here, 4 goes to carry. 2 8 jar, 16. 16 plus 4 is equals to 20. Here, what we want to do next? Next step is addition. 2064. 0 plus 4 is equals to 4. Here is 6. 0. Here is 8 plus 10. Right? 0. Okay. Here is 1. 5 plus 1. 6. Next 2. What is the answer? 2,60,064 is the answer. Okay. This is fourth main. Okay, let us move next fifth main. Let us observe fifth one. Sixth one is your homework. Sixth one and fifth one almost similar. I will solve the fifth question. A taxi driver filled his car petrol tank with 40 liters of petrol on Monday. The next day, he filled the tank with 50 liters of petrol. If the petrol cost rupees 44 per liter, how much did he spending all on petrol? See, in the given question, we need to find out what is the total amount he spent for petrol. Observe his statement. First, it's very easy to find out. First step is, you may pick out the understand the question. First step is understand the question. Second step is pick out the sentence from the given question. Observe here, quantity of petrol filled on Monday. The first day, he filled the petrol to petrol tank. What is the total quantity? 40 liters. This is the first statement. Next day, what is the next day? Tuesday. After Monday is Tuesday. You may write next day or Tuesday, no problem at all. Observe here, quantity of petrol filled on Tuesday. What is the total quantity he filled to petrol tank? And next day, 50 liter. Total petrol filled. So total petrol filled, what we need to do? We need to add first day and next day. 40 plus 50. Okay, bracket. What is this? Liter. This is first day, this is next day, in Tuesday. Totally we get total petrol. Yes, now we need to find out what is the total money he spent. What is the amount of liter petrol? Cost of petrol per liter is 44 rupees. So cost of petrol per liter is rupees 44. We need to find out for 2 days into, this is 2 days, 40 plus 50. Are you clear, Chotu? Is equals to 44 as it is into 40 plus 50 is equals to 90. Are you clear, Chotu? Very easiest example. Is equals to 0. Just give me like that 0. 9 4 jar 36. Multiply. Here is multiplication identity, multiplication symbol. 9 4 jar 36. Right? 6 is here. 3 goes to carry. 9 4 jar 36. 36 plus 3 is equals to 39. Here 1 0 add 0. What is this? This is the cost. Okay. Therefore, he spent 3,960 rupees for 2 days petrol. Okay. This is the final answer. The sixth one is your homework. Okay, Chotu? Yes. Let us move 7th question. Match the following. Observe here, dear Choto. You are very well able to know properties: closure property, commutative property, associative property, distributive property, identity property. I mean identity multiplication and addition. Okay. See, just you may recall all these properties. It's very easy to find out the answer by the help of these properties. Okay. Yes. Observe first one. 425 into 136 is equals to, observe very carefully, okay? 425 into 135, they written as 6 plus 30 plus 100. 6 plus 30 plus 100 is equals to 133. So, we can, as we observe, it is multiplication over addition. Multiplication over addition. Where is the option here? Yes, here it is. Distributing of multiplication over addition. So this is the first answer. Okay. Observe second one. 2 into 49 into 50 is equals to 2 into 50 into 49. Yes, 2 is first order. Here is first order. No problem at all. 49. Here is second order. Here third order. 50 in the left hand side, third order. In the right hand side, it becomes second order. They have changed the order. Okay, they have changed the order. See in the multiplication. So 49, 50 here, 50, 49. Observe first option, commutativity under multiplication. They have taken only two variables. 49 into 50. Here two variables, here two variables. They changed the order. So it is commutativity under multiplication. Observe here, under multiplication. So this is the second answer. Yes. Come to third one. 80 plus 2005 plus 20. E is equals to 80 plus 20 plus 2005, as it is on like a second one. Here is 80, here is 80. See, 2005 in the left hand, this is left hand side, this is right hand side. In the left hand side, this is second order, this is first order, this is second order, 20 is the third order. Observe right hand side, 80 is the first order, 20 is the second order, 2005 is the third order. 80, first order, it doesn't change. Observe carefully second one and third one. 2000 in the left hand side, 2005 is second order. In the right hand side, 2005 is the third order. 20 in the left hand side, 20 is the third order. In the right hand side, 20 is the second order. So they have used the commutativity property. So commutative property under addition. Observe here, under addition. So what is the answer? The answer is B. Commutativity under addition. This is the third question answer. Okay. I hope you have understood. See, this is what the today class. We will solve in the next period about patterns. Until practice these, perfect these. Just you may recall the properties again and again. It helps a lot while you are solving a problem. Okay, Chotu? Nice day.